Ecamm fam, what's going on, everybody? My name is Alicio and welcome back to another episode of Demo Mode Pros. In this episode, we're talking all about a feature that likely gets overlooked, yet it is so powerful. Now, I know this is called Ecamm Live, but did you know that you could pre-record all of your content? Yes, there is a record only mode, and we have a content creator here who uses this feature almost exclusively for her YouTube videos, her coaching, her courses. Man, she kills it. Her name is XayLi Barclay, and she's gonna break it down on how she used record only mode to do a lot of content. Y'all ready? Yo, XayLi, take it away. Ecamm fam, let's take it to live demo mode.
Hey guys, it is XayLi Barclay of StartShootGrow.com. Welcome. So excited to be here with you today. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite features on Ecamm, and it's made such a difference in my full-on video workflow. So just a little, thought here. It's actually not, I know it's called Ecamm Live, but I don't use it for live. I do, but I use it way more for what I'm gonna show you. So stay tuned if you wanna see what that feature is and how you can start using it in your workflow yourself. All right, so I wouldn't be awesome if I didn't take you guys on the back end. So I'm using live demo or the live demo mode inside of Ecamm just to show you kind of like what I'm talking about, right? So you can see right now, there is a pause and a finish at the bottom of my screen. And that's because I use Ecamm to pre-record all of my content. Can you believe it? I know it's called Ecamm Live, but whoa, I use this for my YouTube videos, online course videos, Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, all of the content that you see from me. More than likely, if I'm not using my phone, I never record natively from my camera. I use the pre-recorded or pre-recording feature so that I can create amazing content for the people that are on my platforms, right? So I love using this because one, obviously we know how amazing Ecamm is. It connects my camera, right, which is in front of me with my microphone, and I can actually pre-record all of that content and then chop it up and edit it. I love that this is all done in 4K, which makes it simple for my editor to chop it up and produce high quality content for all of those platforms. And I love that I don't ever have to fully stop a video. I can hit pause. And even though you didn't see that pause, I can pause and do whatever I have to do and come back, or kind of catch myself when I'm recording my content, make sure that I'm getting back into good brain space and hitting, resume. So it goes from pause to resume. And I really love that because I don't have to stop my whole production. I can actually hit pause and start back recording right where I stopped. Now, if you want to know how I use the recording mode to record different types of videos, you can see here that I am heading into stream size, right? Now it's not available because I am actually recording while showing this to you guys, but I am able to head to stream aspect, not stream size, stream aspect, and choose tall, which gives me, the sizing I need for Instagram or for Reels or for TikTok. And then for YouTube, I keep it on the 16:19 so that I'm able to fill out that screen for YouTube. And like I mentioned before, you can go in and change your stream size as well. I love using the record mode for that. And the other thing I love is that the other thing that I really love is that you can see here that I am able to then hop into whatever video. It saves to my computer as soon as I hit stop recording, right, or finish. I'm able to just head onto my computer and actually open it up. So I can click on whatever that was. Obviously, you see that I've recorded the intro for this video like 3 times, haha. But I'm able to pop in and just hit play.
Hello,
guys. Based on whatever it is I record, right? So that's so exciting. And what I do then is I'll take it from there and put it straight into my editor and get started with the editing process, or send it to my editor straight from my computer, which is so exciting. This is one of the things that has changed the game for me because it helped me to just use my standard setup to record content easily and to be able to send that content out. And if I want to go back to live streaming with Ecamm, I can just simply click on the live button and use the live features instead. So using this for my work has been a game changer. And if you're not using Ecamm recording mode just yet and you have a YouTube channel, I advise you to, because it's one of the best things that you can do. Now, the last reason I really love using the Ecamm recording mode is because I'm able to also see what my videos are going to look like. And that's a huge deal for me. I absolutely love the fact that I can actually see what I look like. I have a huge monitor in front of me. It is I think like 45 inches or 47 inches, but I love that I can use Ecamm to see what my shot looks like, so I know where to stand, where to move along. You'll see me kind of looking at the monitor sometimes as I'm talking to you, which is not that great, but hey. And so I love that I can get into Ecamm and really switch up what that looks like right here on my monitor. So being able to do that rather than looking at, the camera itself to see the shot, to see what's going on with the shot, I love that I'm able to do that here. And I love that if I have two cameras connected, which I sometimes record from two angles, I can switch in Ecamm and see all of that on my screen. That's my reason for using Ecamm record mode. It's just efficient, super simple and easy. And I hope that I've inspired you to switch up your workflow and use this as well. All right, guys, I'll see you around the internet. Take care.
Yo, shout out to XayLi Barclay. That was super dope. You see what I mean? Record only mode is a lifesaver. You don't always have to go live. You can use the record only mode. I'm using it right now as we speak, to be honest with you, right through Ecamm. And you can do a lot of content batching, schedule out your content. It can be all pre-recorded. So man, make sure y'all check that out. If you have any questions, leave those questions in the comments below. Smash that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and make sure you meet us over on the Facebook group. Man, the Ecamm Fam community on Facebook is amazing, so make sure y'all check that out. Until next time, thank you for watching Demo Mode Pros. Peace.